So if it happened to you in the store and you saw this newly marked 25% shelf, there were probably 100 plants on there. How many would you have bought? Saw me pick up 44. I didn't even count. Didn't even count. This one looks very dry out. Looks very dried out. Oh, blueberries are not happy. I'm transplanted. I know they're finished. But I'm going to take at least a 25 cents. So, another one of the bushel and berry blueberry silver dollar. And I want to emphasize that these are all clearance plants. These are not what they deliver to the store. These are supposed to be in, these are supposed to have been sold a long time ago. They were not. Probably because they weren't supposed to go here. I don't know. Okay. It looks very, it looks very dried out, but I'll just put it in here. If it can fit. It doesn't really fit. Take another container. Let's do this bigger container instead for these two. Oh, it is just coming of it. Oh, breaking of it. Not a good sign. Not a good sign. There we go. And that was the Blueberry silver dollar. Blueberry silver dollar. Please excuse my dirty finger. Blueberry silver dollar is kind of floating around. I don't know how much open those. They just look very dried out, but there's a tag. Let's tug it underneath so I don't mix them up. What's next? The legacy. Let's give it a try. You know, it's hard when you're in the store to kind of get a grasp on the health of these plants when they're closed up in a bag. You can just see a little stick sticking out. But just recently, well, a few months ago, I purchased an apple. Bare root plant from Tractor Supply, and it's growing really well. Yeah, I don't know. It feels very dry. I'm manhandling these plants a little bit. Okay, let's put that away. That was the legacy. Okay, there we go. Alright, we're moving on to the blackberries. Now, this is my mistake. This one, Blackberry Baby Cakes, says zone 4 to 8. I guess I'll have to give this one to someone in Jacksonville, or north of Jacksonville. So, have to figure something out there. Now, I just wanted to let you know that when you, let me show you, that when you pull these out, make sure, be careful you don't pull the bag out of the box. And you kind of want to tip it out so that you do not pull the plant itself. Okay, this one has been alive at some point. The roots actually look pretty decent. We'll put it in a water. Let's try it out once. A variety. I have so many. Lots of water, you know. No more room. Let's show a little bit. Just to see better. What do we have? Something's coming out. I don't know. Yeah, well, maybe. See. Pushing it out with my fingers. There we go. Could be a survivor, maybe. So I'm going to try. Okay. The last of this only. Did I already take that one out? I don't see anything. Do you see something? There's a stick in there. Maybe not. Well, you know what? Maybe the root still only time will tell if it survives. Let me know if you're from Jacksonville. Okay, the next ones are the Blackberry, the Thornless Blackberry Triple Crown. No, if you have brambles in your fruit forest, in the woods, in your yard, well, you'll know why I picked up this one. So let's give it a try. So we got 4 of these Triple Crown Blackberries, Thornless variety. This one kind of looks, I don't know. Let's see. Let's push up. It's very tiny. The roots a little dry. You can tell it's trying to put out, but it might have been drying as it did, and that could be a bad sign. We're gonna put it in water. See if we can look. What about this one? Pushing it up. Yeah, actually, that might be healthy. They kind of look a little bit dried out, but the roots themselves look better than the other one. This one looks like it's started at some point. It is getting late, and I'm just going to finish up with the Blackberry and the Dewberry, and then I will continue on tomorrow. So let's see, these are the Thornless Chester Blackberries. Should be going in zone 5 to 9. Looks a little dry, but the root system looks okay. Put it in a nursery pot. We have one more. Let's see how better it was. The roots actually look alive on this one. Alright, let's find a tag. Here we go. And I just posted a video on how to make these plant tags. They're very easy, they're free, using recycled plastic. Let's get a bit of that. Alright, let's put it aside. So the last ones for today are the Dewberry, Austen Dewberry. It says zone 6 to 9. I don't know. I didn't know that Dewberry could grow into 9, but we'll give it a try. Let's check it out. Got one here. I got 2 of those. Uh-oh. Well, that's dead. Let's see if we have anything in here. Okay, we got something. We got a root. I don't know. Let's put in some water. And lots of dewberries. Let's see. Get a bit of shot at it. Oh, another stick. Uh-oh. Let's see. See anything that happened with the other one. Do you have any roots in here? We got something. I don't know. This one might be a long shot. Alright. That's definitely a dud. Leave a comment. Tell me how many out of the 44 plants do you think will survive and live in 2 months? These are all the plants we made it through tonight. If you enjoyed the video, you know what to do. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Let's press in some pine bark. So this part is for the blackberry, and we're gonna put pine bark in there. We are mixing them up with leaves at the bottom, putting a little bit of wood chips in, some compost from the food forest, And then we have some compost for the chicken pen. We've got some pine bark for those that need more acidic soil. And then we're going to put some wood chips at the very top. We also mixed in the material that the plants were grown in, which is why we have the boxes so we can see which pot. Did you get dirty?
You did that.
I'm sorry, buddy. Mix it up good. Almost time for planting.
Yes.
These are the triple crown Thornless Blackberries. And we had a tag beneath the pot so we know what it is. And we're going to put them all in one pot just because while we're optimistic, we're also realistic. And they might not all survive. There are 4 of these blackberries. Just gonna mix the soil around them. We're gonna water them in.
What is them on?
They don't look too happy or healthy, but only time will tell. Let's put the tag in so we won't forget what these dead looking sticks are. Good job. All right. These are the rose of Sharon. I got 5 of them. Let's take a look. This one looks quite sturdy. Look at the roots. Actually look healthy. This is after having been soaked in water overnight. Let's get them planted, see what's going to happen. So the last 2 ingredients that I forgot to mention, that we put in each pot, we put a little bit of Mycorrhizae in there to get them started off well. And then we put a little bit of Vermicompost liquid mixed with the compost. That will help get the bacteria started. The last step is to just give these a little prune down to the next bud, if possible, just to encourage growth. Some of them don't look too happy. They don't sound too heavy, but we're gonna try. Maybe it's a complete fail, but at least we gave it a shot. Am I sure that I can get 10 plants out of this? Only time will tell. I'm trying to be optimistic, but I have just planted a bunch of dead plants. At least that's what it feels like. That's the risk I took, buying 25-cent plants. Here they are. All 44 boxes of 25 cents clearance plants from Tractor Supply. All fruiting bushes and flowering shrubs. We did throw away 4 plants that were completely dead on arrival. And we put up the rest, including 2 boxes with 10 bare root strawberry plants that might have been dead. So there should be a total of 58 plants here. Make sure to subscribe so you will be notified when we do the follow-up in a month or 2. And while you're at it, give us a like. We appreciate the support. And visit us at dancingtreetops.com.